Welcome to Rebel Chaser. My name is Gail, and this video is from Judge Prill in Michigan. The guy finally got arrested. This is a continuation of the video I did yesterday, where the couple got divorced. It's entitled Serial Stalker and Liar. And on the way out of court, he threatened his newly divorced ex-wife. And they must have looked at the cameras, saw that he did threaten her, and he got arrested. Now, the first minute is of what happened yesterday when they went out of court. So I'll let you guys watch.
Stand by a moment. Deputy, is there an issue?
No, are you good? They told me that you called over.
Yes, I did. That case just ended.
Okay.
Stand by.
Yep.
Anything going on, folks?
He violated my PPO 3 steps out this door by threatening me.
I didn't do anything but try to walk faster.
Well,
Did she leave and I leave?
but if you want to file a complaint, contact law enforcement. I can't be involved.
I went to the sheriff and they sent me to the Bad Axe Police and they sent me back here.
I'll stay here.
They said they have to pull the hallway cameras to prove it and then file a complaint from there.
Okay, then that's what they're going to do.
So who do I talk to?
You contacted Bad Axe Police Department. They'll follow through with the complaint. Stay in touch with them.
Okay.
Okay?
Will they though? Because that doesn't seem to be happening.
You know how to reach them. Contact them if you have any questions.
This one, like,
Do you want me to escort them out separately?
Yes,
Yeah.
please.
Okay.
And then I'll take care of the matter. Thank you.
Okay. Yep.
And sir, if you wouldn't mind removing your cap while you're in front of us. Thank you. Nicole Thomas versus Brandon Lee Thomas, file number 247702 PP. This time of day set for arraignment based upon an allegation of violation of personal protection order. The respondent, Brandon Lee Thomas, appears by the Zoom application. The petitioner is present. The court also notes for the record that Detective Derek Joy from the Bad Axe Police Department is present. All the court has at this point, and there's no written documentation or show cause. All the court is aware of is that apparently yesterday the respondent was arrested. A warrantless arrest was executed upon the respondent of alleged personal protection order violation that occurred outside the courtroom. And just to be frank and honest with everyone, I don't know what happened out there. I have no idea. We had other proceedings, so the court has no knowledge of what this matter is about other than an alleged violation. The court was advised that, again, respondent was arrested. Interim bond was set in the amount of $1,000, 10%. However, the court also had received information that Mr. Thomas has been charged in the district court on felony charges of aggravated stalking. And I believe he was just arraigned a few moments ago. And the bond set in that matter was set at $10,000, 10% from what I had seen from the Register of Actions. So it's my responsibility to hold this hearing within 24 hours of the arrest. Obviously, it's been delayed just a little bit as the respondent was in the district court first, and other matters were proceeding this morning with the court. But I am here to inform Mr. Thomas of the alleged violation. All the court knows is that there's an alleged violation of a personal protection order. The allegation is that it occurred on August 15, 2024. That's all the court knows. I have to advise Mr. Thomas that he has the right to contest the charge. He also has the right to an attorney. If he cannot afford an attorney and the court believes it may impose jail time, the court will appoint an attorney at public expense. He has the right to remain silent and not have his silence used against him. He has the right to be presumed innocent unless proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. He also has the right to call witnesses and have the court compel them to appear. Mr. Thomas, do you understand all of those rights, sir?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And I advised you that you have the right to have an attorney represent you. Do you wish to have an attorney represent you?
Yes. Yes.
Very well. Who is your attorney currently on the charges downstairs in the district court?
I was given Andrew Lockard.
Mr. Locker? Okay, and you appear
I
with
think that
him? Yep, that's it.
I have,
Did you appear with
I
him
don't-
today, or was it with another attorney?
I believe it was another gentleman.
Okay, Mr. Allen, I'm assuming.
Yeah, that sounds correct.
Okay, was your bond indeed set at $10,000, 10%?
Yes,
Okay, okay. As you are requesting the right to have counsel represent you, the court will enter a plea of not guilty or standing mute on behalf of the defendant. Now, this hearing must be set within 72 hours of arrest if you are in custody. The earliest the court can hear this matter and to have Mr. Lockhart here would be, I'm assuming, Monday. Do you believe, Mr. Thomas, you'll be able to post the bond on the district court case?
I believe my girlfriend's in the process of doing it right now.
Okay, and there's a bond in this case as well, as I've already stated, $1,000, 10%, or in other words, $100.
Right.
So the court is going to continue that bond.
Also,
Go ahead.
it's also an order that I have to report Monday for GPS. So that's already in the stipulations also, which I don't have a problem
That must
with.
be at the district. I'm assuming that's at the district court level.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, so what we'll do, I'm going to confer with the court administrator. Is Mr. Lockhart going to be here? We're checking to see if Mr. Lockhart is going to be here Monday morning.
He told me I had to meet with somebody else for the bracelet.
Yeah, I believe that's going to be pretrial services, Ms. Wood.
Yeah, that sounds right.
Yeah, he's here.
All right, we believe Mr. Lockhart will be here on Monday. So I'm just going to schedule it for 9 a.m. 11:30. We're going to make it at 11:30 for the hearing. And again, Mr. Thomas, you understand all your rights, correct?
Yes.
Okay, we will have Mr. Lockhart here with you on Monday. And we'll proceed on the allegation of a violation of the personal protection order. While we're here in the courtroom, I stated that Detective Joy is here from the Bad Axe Police Department. Detective Joy, is there a police report or anything generated as a result of this alleged incident?
Yes, Your Honor. It's actually the prosecutor's office had it. They received it this morning. That went along with the aggravated stalking complaint.
Okay. And I'm assuming then that'd be forwarded to the defendant in due course.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, we're going to set the hearing then for 11:30 Monday morning. Bond will continue as previously set. Mr. Thomas, just to be crystal clear about this, and I'm not passing any judgment because again, I told you, I don't know what may have occurred out there. I have no idea. However, there is a valid personal protection order in effect in this case.
I want nothing to do with her, Your Honor.
I just want to caution you, I just want to let you know, please stay away.
Yes.
And I'm assuming the same bond conditions apply at the district court level as well, because they're talking about a GPS tether. Is the GPS tether required to be placed upon you before you leave the jail?
No, I have, they said a lien till Monday or something like that.
Okay, very well. All right.
I don't know the proper terms.
No, that's okay. I think I understand where you're coming from. So we'll leave it at that. We'll proceed at 11:30 on Monday. In the meantime, Mr. Thomas knows what he needs to do. And Mr. Thomas, if you have the ability before Monday to reach out to Mr. Lockhart, I would strongly encourage that, sir. Do you have any questions?
I want everything just done. I don't want to deal with her no more. I want to stay as far as away from, as I can. I don't want nothing to do with her. I don't even want to see her or her presence.
I've got it.
I'm
But
done.
I just want to stop you. I don't want you to say something that could potentially incriminate you. So
No.
I'm
I
just
get
protecting you from
it.
yourself. So let's just simply leave it at that. We'll reconvene at 11:30. The court finds good cause to not proceed on, he's been arraigned clearly. The hearing within 72 hours is going to be a little bit over the 72 hours based upon the court's docket, but also just as important, counsel needs to be advised of the appointment here as well, so he can be duly prepared to proceed on Monday. So that's where we stand on it. I appreciate everyone being here this afternoon regarding this matter. We'll see you on Monday, 11:30.
Thank you.
That'll conclude the proceedings. Thank you, everyone.
You know, I've never been more happy that someone was arrested. I have been stressing and fretting and very worried for his ex-wife because this guy is nuts. He has been stalking her. And when he says, I want nothing to do with her, as he says that from jail, why is he stalking her? Why is he following her? Why does he constantly show up where she is? Why does he know what doctor she sees? How does he know exactly where she's going to be at any point of time in her day? Because he's stalking her. So, and I'm not buying also that he has a girlfriend, a real girlfriend. She's a girl, she's a woman, and she's a friend. Because no girlfriend would tolerate this. No girlfriend would sit and hear all the stuff that he's really doing and go, yeah, you're a good catch. Okay, I'll stick with it. No, nobody's going to do that. No one is going to, well, at least not any upstanding person is going to go, okay, yeah, go ahead and stalk your ex and I'll just be here at home waiting for you, honey. That's not going to happen. So I don't believe that he has a girlfriend. I think he threw that in just to make it sound like he really doesn't want anything to do with his ex when he constantly stalks her and follows her and knows where she is. So I'm glad he's in jail. I hope he stays there a while. Supposedly he's going to be out sometime today, but I hope not, because this is going to be a really dangerous time for his ex. She needs to protect herself. However that is. Get away, go out of town, or whatever. Just get away. Anyway, I'm happy. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will definitely be catching this one on Monday. Oh, and I tried to find this. I think it's 73B is the district court for Huron County. It's not online, so they don't stream it. I can't find it. I can't get that. I really wanted to see that part of the case too, the stalking part, but it's aggravated stalking, but I can't get that part. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.